7 carpet cleaning hacks you need for spring cleaning. Number 1. Removing stains with an iron. First, vacuum the carpet so there aren't any particles left on it. Put the moist towel, 1 part vinegar and 3 parts water, over the stain and use the iron to heat the towel. As you move the iron over the towel, the stain should start to lift into the towel. Stop ironing when the stain is removed. Number 2. Baking soda and essential oil carpet freshener. Mix it up well so the oils are completely absorbed and store in a glass container. When you want to use it, simply shake some of the perfumed baking soda on your carpet, wait 5 minutes and then vacuum it. Number 3. Homemade deep clean carpet cleaner. Mix the following ingredients together to make a non-toxic deep cleaner for your machine: 3/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 1/4 cup white vinegar, 2 tablespoons dish soap, 5 drops of essential oils, 2 tablespoons of fabric softener and 1 gallon of hot, not boiling, water. Use this in your rug cleaning machine. Number 4. Properly cleaning a shag carpet. If you notice that your carpet is shedding regularly, deshag it by using the hose attachment of your vacuum. Number 5. Carpet fluffing technique 1. Fluff it up by spraying any hardened, stained areas with a carpet stain remover of equal parts vinegar and water. Allow the agent to work, and then blot up the stain. Number 6. Carpet fluffing technique 2. Tired of dented in spots where your furniture put pressure on the carpet? Allow an ice cube to melt into the dents. After the water has completely dissolved, take a soft towel and blot up the excess moisture. Lay the moist towel on top of the dented area and run an iron, on cotton setting, back and forth across the towel. When the fibers feel almost dry, stop ironing the spot. Allow the carpet to air dry, then use your hands to fluff up the spot. Number 7. Cleaning different types of carpet. There are low-loop carpets and more plush, shaggy carpets. Low-pile, looped carpets are great for high-traffic areas. They may not be as apt to give up stains as plush carpets. You have to have patience when cleaning low-pile, looped carpeting. Use a lot of elbow grease.